Welcome to tomorrow's lessons today. Writing made easy, mastering key skills for success, Evaluative magazine article. Mastering the Cambridge IGCSE curriculum, a scaffolded approach to writing instruction. Let's turn our attention to the reading and writing standards, reading objectives, understand explicit meanings, interpret implicit meanings, critically evaluate and develop ideas supported by the text, use relevant information for specific purposes. Writing objectives: clearly express thoughts, feelings, and imaginings, organize ideas and opinions effectively, employ appropriate vocabulary and sentence structures, adapt language register to the context, maintain accurate spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Breaking down the writing prompt is important. Therefore, carefully read the task and identify key details. First, identify the topic: outdoor learning. A helpful approach would be a gap analysis or considering the 3 Ws. What type of writing are you creating? In this case, it's a magazine article. Who is your audience? You are writing for young people. Why are you writing? The purpose is to give your views about whether or not an outdoor education for children and young people is feasible or desirable. Next, identify the context of the article. Once you understand the task, focus on what to include in your body paragraphs. Body paragraph 1: why an outdoor learning for children is feasible. Body paragraph 2: why not outdoor education for young children desirable. Remember a few expectations as you write. It should be text-based, written using your own words, and address both bullet points. In standard handwriting, your article should be between 250 and 350 words, typically filling up about 1.5 to 2 sides of A4 paper. Now let's examine the criteria for reading. Although this is mainly an assessment of your writing skills, your writing will be based on the reading text. Out of 40 available marks, 15 are awarded for content. This means the response successfully evaluates explicit and implicit ideas and integrates them from the text to form a well-developed, sophisticated response. Now let's discuss the criteria for writing. The quality of your writing will be assessed out of 25 marks using established writing standards which demand a response that employs a highly effective and well-structured style, uses precise vocabulary, adopts an appropriate register while maintaining near-perfect spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Read text A and annotate to highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each body paragraph. Use color coding to differentiate each body paragraph. Similarly, read text B and annotate to highlight evidence or information relevant to the focus of each body paragraph. Here, a guide how to structure your evaluative magazine article. Please note, P1 to P5 refer to the number of paragraphs and how they are separated from each other. For P1, that is headline, think of a catchy title that goes with the topic of the article. For P2, that is introduction, as an attention grabber, open with a hook that is in line with the article's topic. Then introduce the purpose of the article and end the introduction by stating the context of the article. Write 2 body paragraphs, P3 and P4. Begin paragraph 3 with a topic sentence, deriving it from the context of the article to introduce the first body paragraph. Ensure you use relevant transitions to each of the supporting details. Now develop supporting details for the first body paragraph. Use clues from the explicit details and the marking scheme provided to develop supporting details to be included in body paragraph 1. For example, supporting detail 1. Look at the implicit ideas recorded in the marking scheme. Use these ideas and frame a sentence to develop your first supporting detail. Follow the same process and develop supporting detail 2, then supporting detail 3, next supporting detail 4. Complete rest of the supporting details for the first body paragraph, supporting detail 5, supporting detail 6, supporting detail 7, supporting detail 8. Start paragraph 4 with the topic sentence, deriving it from the context of the article to introduce the second body paragraph. Ensure you use relevant transitions to each of the supporting details. Now develop supporting details for the second body paragraph. Use clues from the explicit details and the marking scheme provided to develop supporting details to be included in body paragraph 2. For example, supporting detail 1. Look at the implicit ideas recorded in the marking scheme. Use these ideas and frame a sentence to develop your first supporting detail. Follow the same process and develop supporting detail 2, then supporting detail 3, next supporting detail 4, after that supporting detail 5. Finally, in paragraph 5, that is conclusion, restate the context and balance your viewpoints. Conclude by taking a stand as the author of the article. Your final article draft should be structured along these lines. Now it's your turn. Write a 250 to 350 word evaluative magazine article based on the given prompt, using all the techniques you have learned. Remember, your writing will be judged based on the content and style you create. Read text A, read also text B, and write the words of the article. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more IGCSE lessons and tips. Subscribe for more educational content. Like if this video helped you. Share it with your peers to spread the knowledge. Comment below with your feedback. Let's master the art of writing together.